Hello Ananda, Electronic Devices Case Study about Touch Sensor by Ryanbiology ECA. What is touch sensor? A sensor that is capable enough of capturing and recording the physical touch made by the operator can be defined as a touch sensor. Further, it is also referred to as a touch detector. Other than touch, it can capture a certain extent of proximity without direct interaction or physical contact. Touch sensor in daily life example watch, phone fingerprint, earbuds, phone touch, mouse. Touch sensor working principle. These sensors are sensitivity to any pressure or force applied to touch. The principle of touch is similar to that of a switch. When the switch is closed, the current flow. Otherwise, there is no change of the current to flow. Similarly, when the touch sensor senses the touch or proximity is captured, then it acts like as a closed switch. Otherwise, it acts as an open switch. These sensors are known as tactile sensors. Here we see there is no contact, so no flow of current. Here we have contact, then we have flow of current. Working of touch sensors are two types: cap- capacitive touch sensor, resistive touch sensor. Capacitive touch sensors are very popular since they are more robust, durable, and user friendly. Moreover, it is also cost effective when compared to resistive touch sensor. The capacitive sensor is made just similar to the normal capacitor. There are two conductors separated from the insulator. In case of the sensor, the metal plates are used as the conductors. The capacitance of the sensors can be expressed as below: C equal to E naught into ER into A by D, where E naught represents the permittivity of a free space, ER represents the relative permittivity or dielectric constant, D represents the distance the parallel plates, and A represents the area of the plates. A represents area of the parallel plates. We know that if the plates has more area, the more capacitance it will produce, and then more distance between the two plates or the less capacitance will become. So in the capacitor touch sensor, there are two parallel plates that follows a capacitor with the capacitance value represented as CO. Yes, as we touch the sensor through our finger act as a conductivity object and hence produce a capacitance value of CT. In the applications of a sensor, the capacitance CO is measured continuously with the help of the capacitance measurement circuit. There will be an uncertain increase in the capacitance. If any conductivity object such as our finger touch the plates, the capacitance measures circuit will detect the change in the capacitance and will convert it into a signal. So by controlling the size of the parallel plates and the thickness of the insulator, we can control the sensitivity of the capacitor touch sensor. The capacitive touch sensor it needs is to be in a contact with a conducting material and does not require a pressure to operate. Applications portable devices such as smartphones and tablet, iPad, iPhones, etc. Home applications such as touch lamps, automobiles, industrial resistive touch sensors. Unlike the capacitive touch, the resistive touch sensor does not depend on the electrical priorities such as the conductivity of the metallic plates. These sensors cannot sense the smell, contact, or touch. Resistive touch sensor requires a amount of force to operate. The resistive touch sensor work by sensing the pressure when applied on the surface. Since there is need to pressure the different in the capacitance, the resistive touch sensor can operate on non-conductivity materials such as pen, stick, or finger inside the gloves. Working of resistive touch sensor. Below circuit illustrate that how the resistive touch sensor works. Here the touch electrolyte. The above circuit shows the basic working of the touch sensor with consists of the touch electrode or the surface. The resistive touch sensor operate when an object with some resistive such as over fingerprint, the touch of the object, a little resistance form a closed circuit which allows the small amount of current to flow. The above circuit of the two electrolytes to transistors that are conducted a Darling-Stone pair and an LED and a resistor. When the electrodes are touched or the pressure is applied on the top of the surface, the circuit get complete and the current get amplified through the transistor. The LED indicates the pressure applied or the touch. The resistance is used to prevent the LED from the applied voltage applications, musical instruments, touchpads, etc., older music players, games, consoles, etc., office equipments, keyboards, mostly used in mobile phones. Thank you.